हेलो गाइस, आप सब कैसे हैं? आई होप आप सब ठीक होंगे। आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ रिफ्लेक्टिव डायरी। रिफ्लेक्टिव डायरी क्या होती है और इसे क्यों लिखती है एक टीचर का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होता है इसे लिखने के पीछे। मैं आपको आज वो बताने वाली हूँ। पहले देखते हैं हम इसका इंट्रोडक्शन। ये मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन लिखा है और एक लिखी है मैंने डेफिनेशन। आइए चलिए देखते हैं। Reflective diary is a personal record about a person's experiences of learning. They may simply list the things learned in a day or over a longer period with comments on why they are important, or they may include personal feeling about learning something new, overcoming barriers, or perhaps light bulb moment. रिफ्लेक्टिव डायरी जो होती है एक पर्सन के अपने एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में होती है, टीचर्स के अपने एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में होती है। जब टीचर एसईपी के लिए स्कूल्स जाते हैं तो वो क्या एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, क्या उनके सामने बैरियर्स आते हैं और उसे ओवरकमिंग के लिए क्या ज़रूरतें हैं, ये सारी वो नोट डाउन करते हैं जिससे वो आगे अपने आप में सुधार ला सकें। ये है हमारी एक डेफिनेशन है। अकॉर्डिंग टू वर्ड कैनोज एंड वॉल्कर, reflection in the physical sense is to look self-image in the mirror and making sense of it as experiences. This process of thinking back will lead to build teacher critically analysis and constructive dialogue and meaningful storage of knowledge as reflection because their habit. ये हमें सेल्फ इमेज बनाने में मदद करती है और जो टीचर होती है उसे एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है, वो क्रिटिकली थिंक कर सकती है और वो अपने डायलॉग्स और मीनिंगफुल बोलना सीख जाते हैं अपनी एसईपी में। ये होता है हमारा मोटिव टू राइट अ डायरी। ये मैंने लिखा है फर्स्ट डे ऑफ एसईपी। It is my first day of SEP, but we would not be able to take class offline because of coronavirus. Today I learned about online stimulate teaching, and the suddenly switched to 100% online teaching was challenging equally for both student and teachers. I faced little bit problem while taking online class. Now it is very important to learn about technology, how ICT can be used effectively and meaningfully in the classroom. ICT aids also help to interact class with the student. Today I learned a lot about online teaching and student also enjoy with us. But I need to be little prepare myself. Self लिखा है यहाँ, myself आएगा। अब है हमारा सेकंड डे ऑफ एसईपी। टुडे आई विल टीच स्टूडेंट अबाउट पोम ऑफ इंग्लिश द आइसक्रीम मैन। माई टुडेज ऑब्जेक्टिव टू टीच स्टूडेंट अबाउट द पोम एंड दे वुड बी एबल टू लर्न वर्ड मीनिंग एंड इट्स मीनिंग. I use the random and gestures by which students feel or enjoy like songs so that it is easy to teach them a poem. Students were unable to pronounce word. I start repeating words 2 and 3 times and said student to imitate with me, by which they would be able to speak. At the last, I asked question to the student, what did they learn today? Is there any problem which they are facing? Students are very nice and they were focusing in the class carefully. They know all questions. Third day of SEP. Today I will teach student about the universe and solar system. The student was excited because I take TLM by covering the paper, so they want to know what the teacher kept with her. My objective to teach student about the universal or solar system. They would be able to know about planet and their own planet, Earth, Moon, Sun, star, etc. Satellites. I introduced student about the universe. Students were so much curious and they are having a lot of questions about the solar system. I was really prepared, but some questions were out of their topic. So I realized that we must have different types of knowledge, because a student can ask anything and one teacher must be able to give answers, so that I take those questions and read it out. Fourth day of SEP. Today I completed my last topic in this class, Universal and Solar System. Today I teach about the artificial and natural satellite. I start solving the question answers in the exercise, so that first I ask the question, if they know, then the answers, and students were facing problem in the questions. I help them to solve answers, and there are some activities in the back exercise which we enjoy a lot. Fifth day of SEP. Today I learn about the story. How do we narrate story to the student? There must be interest or curiosity in the telling story. Today I teach student English chapter of the story of Haldi's adventures, so that I make TLM of giraffe. That was a mask of giraffe telling telling a story with the gestures, and I use illustration and demonstration method to the teach students. Students are listening carefully, but some students were making gossip and disturbing the class, so that I stopped them. We should understand understand student individually. Then my sixth day of SCP. Today I taught student about the addition. My objective to teach addition to make student able to calculate the numbers. But I got to know some student having problem in counting. They don't know, so I start class to the counting 1 to 100. After counting, I asked question to the student about addition, and then I applied the demonstration method, and then show some objective like students favorite thing, chocolates, candles, toffee, etc. Then and they were able to know the concept of addition. Today I learned that we must use objective or give practical knowledge to the student. Seventh day of SEP. Today I taught Hindi to the class first, and student in which student don't know about anything. So today I taught them Aki Matra, in which I just asked some questions, so they were able to connect the letters of Hindi like kalam, mug. बच्चे दो अक्षरों के शब्द तो जानते हैं लेकिन आ की मात्रा नहीं. So I got nervous that how I teach student about आ की मात्रा. So I started writing letter or words with the आ की मात्रा. I make one TLM of it, in which I have word with a ki matra. Today I learn how can we teach Hindi matra. We need to give more focus. 8th day of SCP. Today I taught student about helpers, and I was prepared a PPT, but because at this time, because of coronavirus and schools was closed last 2 years, so that class were online. The student was so nice. They know about helpers like milkman, carpenter, etc. So I taught them their work and we should give respect to all. Student are too naughty. They make fun of them. So today I teach them about the work, hard work, duties, respect. Today I learn if we will tell them smoothly or with a love, they will listen us. 9th day of SCP. Today I taught student about singular and plural in English. I use TLM of singular and plural. Use ICT facility. Student know the singular or plural, but they don't know the rules. So I taught them rules, and the rules are very important. Student were lacking in some rules, and student got to know when I gave them a lot of examples. So today I learn about the examples. We should always have daily basis or simple example for the student. For a teacher, for a teacher it is very important to relate our concept with the example. 10th day of SCP. Today I taught them student how to make scenery. For that I said the student about the material, which I said student to take it in next class. First I make scenery for the student and tell them the step, first mountain, tree, hut or river. The student makes scenery very nicely, but the student were lacking in sketch colors or some use painting colors, so it was little bit difficult for them. Today I learned that students are so creative, so teacher must have so many creative ideas or logic thought. सो गाइज ये थी मेरी 10 दिनों की SCP, और मैं सिर्फ 4 वीडियोज़ बनाऊंगी जिसमें 10 डेज़ की SCP होगी. ये मेरी फर्स्ट वीडियो है, और ऐसे ही आपको 3 वीडियोज़ और अवेलेबल होगी, क्योंकि SCP जो होती है फर्स्ट ईयर में DLED की 40 डेज़ की होती है, तो हम 40 डेज़ की डायरी लिखते हैं. ओके, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, और अगर कोई डाउट